Hello everyone, welcome back to Lantu Bike channel. Today, we would like to share with you guys a hybrid electric bike, a new era of versatile and efficient transportation. This hybrid bike represents a significant leap forward in the world of electric bicycles, combining the best of traditional pedal-powered biking with the convenience and power of electric assistance. This e-bike offers riders the flexibility to effortlessly switch between traditional pedaling and electric propulsion, proving a seamless riding experience for both casual cyclists and daily commuters. With its powerful 750 watts motor and long-lasting 48-volt 15-ampere battery, this hybrid e-bike is designed to tackle various terrains and distances with ease. This innovative electric bike combines the convenience of motorized assistance with the freedom of traditional cycling, offering riders a versatile and efficient way to navigate urban environments and explore off-road trails. With its high-capacity battery and robust motor, this hybrid bike is designed to deliver a smooth and exhilarating riding experience, making it an ideal choice for both daily commuters and outdoor enthusiasts. Feel free to contact us if you want to know more about our bikes or check our website.